Hello students, all of you welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. So in our problem solving session every day, we are giving 7 problems in chemistry. Now we are seeing problem in organic chemistry. Okay, you are also watching the problem every day. If you are interested means you come and join in our institution. So it will be benefit to you 100%. Only few days are there. If you want to crack your NEET examination within one attempt, you just come and join. Now let us go to the problems in organic chemistry. The lesson is alcohol, phenol, ethers. Understood? Now see the first question. See that, CH3, CH double bond CH2, hydrolysis in presence of acid medium give A and chromic oxide is added to form B. Identify the common A and B. Both they are asking. Okay. Suppose here, if you see this one H2O, H plus means you just remember we are adding water molecule. The rule is what? Markovnikov rule. That rule we should follow. Okay. Simple one. Here, listen, all of you. This is nothing but propane. No. Okay, propane. Outright propane. That is there. Okay. CH3, CH double bond, CH2. Understood? Now we are adding water molecule. What happened? When you add water molecule outright, H plus out split, H plus OH minus. Understood? So here we should, we should follow what? Markovnikov rule. No? Understood? Here, Markovnikov rule means you know that. What is Markovnikov rule? Negative part goes to carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen. Understood? Negative part means this is a negative part. Negative part goes to carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen. Okay, this carbon having one hydrogen, this carbon having two hydrogen. No. So negative part goes to carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen. Automatically the positive part goes the other side. Understood? Are you following? Okay. So it is added based on Markovnikov rule. Understood? Now the product means, what's the product? What's the product obtained? OH goes here. Now CH3. Okay. CH, OH. Understood? When we add anything means, any groups are coming, the double bond becomes single bond. No. So H goes here. Now it becomes what? Single bond CH3. Are you following? Okay. What's the name of the compound? We have 3 carbon. OH in second carbon. So what? Propan what? Propan 2-all. Are you following? Propan 2-all. Okay. Now, after that we should add what? Chromic oxide. You must know this is an oxidizing agent. It converts, what's the role of this means? It converts secondary alcohol to what? Ketone. You must know. Then only you can able to solve the sum. Each and every reagent, you must know the role, function of the reagents. Okay. What's the function of this reagent means? It converts secondary alcohol into ketone. Okay. So this is called, this is secondary alcohol. If you put chromic oxide, what happened? If you put chromic oxide, it becomes, it's an oxidizing agent. No, it is an oxidizing agent. So, that it is an oxidizing agent. Understood? So, it converts secondary alcohol into ketone. So, this will be removed. See, just understand. Okay, that's all. So, what? Minus H2O. Minus H2O. Now, who is remaining? Who is remaining? CH3. CO, CH3. Understood? So nothing but we get ketone. CH3. Understood? C double bond O, CH3. Understood? Okay. Nothing but you know that this is called what? Propanone. So common A is called propan 2-all. Common B is called propanone. So answer is what? A is the correct option. Understood? Are you following? So each and every role you must know, then only you can be able to get the product very correctly. Understood? Okay, next one. Identify the reagent. Now they are given the reactant, product, everything is given. Reactant is also given, product is also given. They are asking to find out the reagent. Which reagent, if you put that, convert this into that. Understood? Suppose here, each and every reagent is having some function is there. I told you in the last class. Okay. PCC means what? What's a PCC? PCC means it converts, okay, it converts what? Primary alcohol into, it converts primary alcohol to what? To, aldehyde. Understood? Okay, tolerance reagent converts, aldehyde into, aldehyde to what? Carboxylic acid. Okay, all are, this all are strong, mild oxidizing agent. Okay, so here chromic oxide also I told you the previous sum. secondary alcohol into, ketone. Okay. K1O4 converts, primary alcohol into, carboxylic acid. Okay. So each and every reagent is having some role. So if you know the roles, you can able to solve the sums. Here, what is this? CH2OH is called, it's a primary alcohol, 1,0. It becomes what? Aldehyde. Are you following? So I told so primary alcohol into aldehyde. So what? Which reagents are necessary? Which reagents are useful? Okay, only PCC. So see the PCC. So option A is the correct one. Next one. Here what? Tolerance reagent. I told aldehyde into what? Aldehyde into, this is what? Acid, carboxylic acid. Understood? Okay. Aldehyde into acids. So who is doing that work means only the aldehyde is doing that, tolerance reagent is doing that work. So option A is the correct answer. Are you following? Next one. Identify the compound A and B. They are given anisole, no? This is called anisole. Reacts with HI to form A plus CH3I. Again, same anisole reacts with concentrated nitric acid to form B. They are asking to find out only the stable product. Okay. Now see, that here anisole, I'm writing right here. Anisole, OCH3, OCH3, HI. Okay. So, here we have three rules are there. Whenever HI is added to any ether compounds, we have three rules are there. Iodine prefers only, this carbon or this carbon means this carbon is called what? This carbon is, this carbon is nothing but sp3 carbon. Are you following? This carbon is nothing but what? sp2 carbon. Okay. Iodine always prefer only sp3 carbon. Okay. So now the product becomes what? What's the product? What is the product obtained? Here iodine prefers only sp3 carbon. So I goes to CS3. Okay. Now the product will be what? CS3I. Okay. Plus H goes to this side. We are getting phenol. Okay. Now the product becomes what? This is a product. Understood? Okay. So answer is what? All are phenol. See, all the options having we have phenol is there. Okay. Now again, see that now come to the second part. Same anisole when reacts with concentrated nitric acid, it gives what? Stable product. No, anisole is a what kind of director? It is a ortho and para directing group. Okay, so we will be getting, if it undergoes nitration, we will be getting orthonitroanisole and para-nitroanisole. But they are asking to find only what? Stable product. Stable product means only what? Para-nitroanisole. So A is phenol, B is what? Stable means what? Only para-nitroanisole. So option A is correct one. Are you following? Okay, simple one. This only just remember. Iodine always prefers sp3 carbon. Okay, H goes to other side. Then only we get phenol. Understood? Okay. Then this is very, very important question. Okay, same compound, no? Ethanol. Ethanol reacts with sulfuric acid at 413 Kelvin to get A. Same ethanol reacts with sulfuric acid at 440 Kelvin to get B. Identify A and B. Okay. Suppose at 413 Kelvin means here, intermolecular dehydration takes place. Intermolecular dehydration means two molecules of ethanol combined together. So I'll write it here. Two molecules of ethanol, no? CH3, CH2, OH. Understood? Whenever you write any two molecules together, two times means one molecule you should write as it is. Another molecule you write in reverse. Then only we can get the products very easily. Understood? Here, this is nothing but ethanol. No, another ethanol I am writing in reverse direction. Then only we can get the products very easily. Okay. What happened? 413 Kelvin in presence of sulfuric acid is what's the role of sulfuric acid? It's a dehydrating agent. Okay. Dehydrating agent. Now you know that. What is that? What is this? Here, dehydrating agent means it removes. Okay. It is the tendency to remove water molecule. Okay. The water molecule is removed between the two molecules. No, between the two molecule. Then only this kind of hydration is called, we can say what? Intermolecular dehydration. Intermolecular dehydration. Are you following? Okay. Another one we are going to see, that's called intramolecular dehydration. Okay. So the water molecule is removed between the two molecules. Between. Then only I am saying it's called intermolecular dehydration. Okay. Now what's the product? Now you know that CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3. That's the product, no? You know that CH3, CH2, okay, O, CH2, CH3. Understood? Okay. You know, this is called ether compounds, no? Ether compounds, you know, ethoxyethane. Understood? Ethoxyethane. That's the answer. Okay. So now see the option. This is called ethoxyethane. Now B, come to B. This is first reaction only I given. Okay. Second one at 440 Kelvin. Okay. Here also dehydration taking place. If you put sulfuric acid, you know, same. You put, you know, sulfuric acid. I simply put H plus. Okay. The temperature is, you know, 440. No. Okay. Okay. So here. This also, here also one molecule of H2 will be removed. How H2 will be removed means the one H2 is removed within one molecule. Okay. So here H2 is removed between the molecule. So here this OH, this like this. Understood? Now the product is, you know, CH2 double bond CH2. Okay. CH2, CH double bond CH2. Nothing but, you know that it's called ethene, no? Ethene. Understood? So this is called, this is example for intermolecular dehydration. This is example for intramolecular dehydration. Intramolecular means the water molecule is removed within one molecule. That's called intramolecular dehydration. Okay. So option is what? A is the correct answer. Ethoxyethane and ethene. That's the answer. Okay. Very important question. Okay. Compulsory. They lost. Okay. Study thoroughly, all of you. Next one. You know, identify the common A and B. As usual, you know, this is called, you know, aniline. Reacts with sodium nitrate HCl 273 to 278 Kelvin to get A, which on hydrolysis at 283 Kelvin to get B. That's a question. Okay. So when I already told you. So when you see this reagent, these reagents are useful to produce only diacetyl salt. Okay. So NH2 becomes what? NH2 becomes, you know, N2Cl. That's the role of this reagent, N2Cl. Okay, so N2Cl means now NH2 becomes N2Cl, no? So what's the product? A is what? What is A is what? Benzene diacetyl chloride. Okay, that's called A. Are you following? That's the role of this reagent. Sodium nitrate and HCl, if you add, means we are getting benzene diacetyl chloride. That is A. Then, which on hydrolysis, you know, water is added means, you know, water, for our convenience, I am splitting like this. Okay, you know that. What happened here? H from here, Cl from here, minus HCl. Okay. Always the N2 is removed as nitrogen gas. Okay. Then only OH only is remaining. When the OH goes to benzene, it is called what? We are saying what? It's called, you know, phenol. You following? Simple. So A is benzene diacetyl chloride. B is what? Phenol. So option A is the correct one. Understood? Okay. Now go to the next one. The compound A, which gives turbidity in 5 to 10 minutes by adding Lucas reagent. The compound A reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid to form an alkene B. Find A and B. That's a question. Okay. So here in Lucas reagent, Lucas test means you must know. Okay. Who is giving here this reagent to differentiate primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol? Okay, you studied. What is Lucas reagent? It's a mixture of corn HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride. This test to differentiate primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. So primary alcohol means no turbidity. Secondary alcohol means gives turbidity in 5 to 10 minutes. So this is a hint to find out the compounds. Okay. So who is giving turbidity in 5 to 10 minutes means only who is giving? Only secondary alcohol. Are you following? Okay. Only secondary alcohol only giving turbidity in 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Now, the compound A reacts with secondary alcohol means, so who is secondary alcohol here? Butane 2-ol. Here also butane 2-ol. Okay. First I'll take this one. Butane 2-ol is the second alcohol. So what's the formula for butane 2-ol? You know, CH3. Okay, CH, OH, CH2, CH3. You know, butane 2-ol is the secondary alcohol. Okay. To that, if you add what? A reacts with, this is A. Understood? From the hint only, From the hint only, I put this compound. Okay. Then A reacts with sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. What's the role of the concentrated sulfuric acid? It's a very good dehydrating agent that will remove water molecule. Understood? So what happens when you add this reagent? When you add this reagent means, this OH takes nitrogen from here. What happens? So minus H2O, minus H2O will be removed. Understood? And following, remaining, the double bond will come in between this and this. Okay, in between this and this. Okay, so what's the product? What's the product? CH3. Okay, CH, double bond, CH, single bond, CH3. Are you following? Understood? CH3, CH, again CH, CH3. Nothing but, double bond in between 2 and 3, then only we can say it's called what? Butene. Understood? Butene. This is called butane 2-ol. So butane 2-ol and butene, nothing but B is the correct option. Understood? Okay. So all the tests you must know. Lucas test, we have dehydration test, we have oxidation test. Understood? This test, if you know, means you can be able to solve the sums. Okay. Right. Next one. Okay. Here, based on phenol, I have given one question. This is, phenol. Phenol is oxidized, it's a powerful oxidizing agent, Okay. Oxidized by this reagent to get A. Again, phenol reacts with, zinc to get B. That's a question. So it just, this all is present in chemical properties of phenol. Phenol is oxidized. Phenol, I write it here. Phenol, okay, phenol is oxidized by this reagent. Okay, so we get, here, this all you study as it is here. Here inside the benzene, we have only 2 double bond will be there. Here, double bond O, double bond O. This is a compound. This compound is nothing but it's called parabenzoquinone. Okay. So parabenzoquinone, A is called, parabenzoquinone. Okay. You just study. Phenol is oxidized, we get the same product. Always we are getting the product parabenzoquinone. Okay. Then phenol is, reduced by zinc. Okay. So what happened? So just remember simple one is zinc. I'll write it here. If you put zinc, what happened? This will be removed. Zinc oxide will be removed. Understood? Zinc oxide will be removed minus ZnO. Now who is remaining? H, Before that we can say C6H5 only. Okay, CH5COH. So CH5OH. But if you remove oxygen, that H goes here. Now it becomes what? C6H6. Nothing but what? It's called what? Benzene. Benzene is obtained. Okay. We get benzene. Understood? We get benzene. So, simple one. Phenol is oxidized. We get parabenzoquinone. Phenol reacts with zinc to form, benzene. So, answer A is the correct option. Understood? So, I given only the very standard, equations only. So, study this thoroughly. I already told you name reactions and important reactions. Okay, term reactions and all. If you study means you can easy to answer all the or 1 or 2 questions they are asking in NEET examination. You can easy to answer them. Okay. Okay, students. Thank you.